Hey folks, Alex McMahon here of Evolve Nutritional Therapy, and today we're going to be continuing on in our video series on why you stress eat and how to stop. So our topic for today is going to be hunger hormones and your stress and how they're impacted. So we have two main hunger hormones we're going to be discussing named leptin and ghrelin. And leptin is the main hormone that signals satiety to the brain. It lets your brain know that you're full, you don't need any more food, so you can go ahead and turn hunger off. On the opposite side of leptin, we have another hormone named ghrelin. And ghrelin is the hunger stimulating hormone. It's what physically makes you feel like you need to eat. So when we have an overabundance of stress and too much cortisol in the body, that cortisol can actually block leptin signaling in the brain, and you'll get something called leptin resistance. As a result of leptin not being able to reach your brain due to too much cortisol blocking the signal from leptin and causing leptin resistance, it will actually decrease the amount of satiety and fullness that you're feeling on a day-to-day basis. Now, if that wasn't bad enough on its own, on the opposite side, ghrelin is also impacted by too much cortisol and too much stress as well. When there's too much cortisol due to stress, ghrelin becomes dysfunctional and actually gets upregulated. So when we have way more ghrelin circulating in the body, it means that we're going to be excessively hungry. So as a result of an overabundance of stress and cortisol in the body, our satiety will actually go down, so we'll be far less satisfied on the same amount of food that we've been eating. And then on top of that, you're going to experience a greater level of hunger because ghrelin will be upregulated. Now, if we put all the pieces of the puzzle together that we've covered in the previous 4 videos with this one, we can see that stress is going to cause us to feel less satisfied with the food we're eating, and we're going to feel a greater abundance of hunger, even though it's not true physiological hunger due to a lack of food. It's a hormonal hunger in some regards. On top of that, you're going to be more likely to make less healthy choices because of the impulsivity that you feel due to an overabundance of cortisol. And then on top of that, because your mood has been hampered by stress, it's going to cause you to want to eat those more hyperpalatable, calorie-dense foods that are going to trigger dopamine and make you feel better. So those are all the reasons, kind of in a nutshell, as to how stress is making you overeat. And in the next video series, we're going to flip over and start discussing the top 5 strategies that you can use to stop stress eating. Thanks for watching. And if you find yourself currently struggling with stress eating, or if you want to change your body composition, I have just a thing for you. I'm offering a limited time, free 30 to 45 minute one-on-one nutrition consultation with myself. If you click the link in the bio right up there, it'll take you to a certain form. Fill that out. You and I will set a time, and then we'll hop on the phone and we'll discuss what your goals are, what's preventing you from reaching those goals, and then how we can remove those barriers to allow you to more easily and sustainably achieve your goals. So I look forward to chatting with you.